In today's video, we will explore solutions to the displayed error. Due to this error, the Crystal report does not load. The manifest stores the information about the assemblies, which are required by CLR to load these assemblies. A manifest resource is a resource, such as an image or report file, that is embedded in the assembly at compile time. Newbies usually make such mistakes. Remove any spaces in the name of the reports folder. Follow naming conventions to name files in the project. Open your report.cs file. Verify accurate namespace under the full resource name property. Right-click your report. Select Properties. In the Properties panel, set the Build Action value to Embedded Resource. Make sure that the Copy to Output Directory value is set as Do Not Copy. Copy the report file and not its CS file. Save it on the desktop or any other place. Delete the copied Crystal report from your project and source controller. Finally, add the copied report as an existing file. It will automatically generate its CS file. After applying the provided solutions, rebuild and run your solution.